Hello and welcome again to Hockey Training for One. So today we're going to do a beep test. I've never done one of these before, but basically it's there to tell you how fit you are. Measure out 20 meters and there's a little thing that goes beep, and then you got to run that 20 meters and it goes beep, and then you run back, and it slowly speeds up to the point where if you don't get to the line before the beep, you're out. Goodbye. So let's give it a go. That basically proves I'm only up to level 3 and you meant to get up to level 10. I don't even know how I'm going to run any faster. Anyway, so try it. It's probably going to be a good leveler for you. But oh God, I hope it improves.